Haley, and we're the two chicks. And today we're talking about the perfect mimosa. So first and foremost, we want to start out with really good champagne. So here at Two Chicks, we use Kenwood Ulula. It's a California sparkling. With a 750 milliliter bottle, you should get 4 perfect 6-ounce glasses. We don't skimp with the booze around here. Alright, so for the traditional mimosa, you're going to want to use fresh squeezed orange juice. That's what we use here at Two Chicks. So you're just going to do about 2 ounces with a 6-ounce, so about 3 to 1 to make a good mimosa. And feel free to branch out. My favorite is fresh squeezed grapefruit, which we also have here at Two Chicks. Yum! Another fun thing that we do is called a shambuch, and that's using locally made kombucha. Just pour that right on in there. So you're adding bubbles to your bubbles, and it's quite delicious. And it's good for you, right? Also, it's healthy, really good for you. And then last but not least, let's try something completely different and make a Bellini. So you're gonna put a little bit of peach schnapps, more booze in your booze, and then a peach nectar. Wow. There's more flavors you can try here at Two Chicks too. We have pineapple juice, you can do orange juice, or cranberry juice, apple juice, or even our famous strawberry lemonade. So good. So you're gonna have to come down here to try the strawberry lemonade. So cheers, everyone. All right, peeps, we'll see you next week. Oh man, we're gonna have to drink like 5 bottles of champagne today.